your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, Father, on your mandate, Father, on your mandate we shall stand.
Omo, una sure say APC na political party or cult? Because I don't understand. What is this current epidemic of on your mandate we shall stand that everybody must sing? If you want to eat, if you want to take your bath, if you want to sleep, if you want to nap, if you want to buy something, if you want to travel, if you like, it is more of a prayer than even a chant or an anthem. Please convince me otherwise. E no normal.